So I've been here 999 times, maybe. And probably the last 4 or 5. What are they doing over there? Oh, they're testing out the lifeboats. When I was in my cabin, I heard one of the lifeboats go down. And I thought maybe they were just doing a cleaning or something, but I see they have plenty of lifeboats over in the water. That's interesting. Anywho.
We are now estimated to depart within approximately the next hour once that scheduled maintenance has been completed, and this departure time will not impact our arrival times into Tampa. Once again, this departure time will not impact our arrival times into Tampa. But let's get into all the activities we got going on for you tonight.
All right, y'all, Carnival Paradise, we on day 4. And as I mentioned, they were out testing the lifeboats, but we got notice that the ship was not leaving at 3:30 for some technical issues. So looks like the technical issues, it's 7:30 now. Looks like the technical issues have something to do with these lifeboats. They'll probably never tell us the full details, but we are still here in the Bahamas. But at least it's a nice day. It's a cool breeze. Supposedly everything is still open. And I was going to stay in the room and edit some videos, but I don't have but 2,000 steps today. So I need to go get some steps in. So let's go take another ship tour. We are on Carnival Paradise. We're supposed to leave at 3:30. It's now 7:36, and there's some kind of technical difficulty with the lifeboats. Okay. All right, y'all, they are kicking us off of this deck. They told us we can go downstairs and take a picture, but we're not allowed to stand over the guys, I guess, while they're working. I'm pretty sure that's not a rule, but I totally understand. I'm not mad. There's probably a lot of stress going on right now with the situation when you got all these people's lives in your hand, and you got a major issue like this that's obviously taking longer than they thought, because I didn't hear it. I was at dinner. I think I was at dinner when they said it, but someone said that the captain had came over and said that the issue would be fixed, anticipated to be fixed by 7 p.m. Yeah. So, oh look, I can take a picture of Carnival Paradise. Hey, we're on Carnival Paradise. Woo! Say hi. All right. Well, it is 7:54, and the lifeboat is still out there. Oh, there's 2 lifeboats out there. 17 and 5. I knew 5 was still out there. I didn't know 17 was still out there. All right, so we are in a different section of the ship now on the same, well, not really the same deck, but you can see the funnel, Carnival Paradise back there. And I came back live to show you that these are the 2 lifeboats that I thought it was just one. I knew it was two earlier, but I had only saw one before, but number 17 and number 5. So there are actually two lifeboats that are not back on the ship yet. So, and there's MSC, Seascape, leaving us. So we're the only cruise ship still here, docked in the Bahamas, well, in Nassau tonight. Let's see if I can get a closer look. Hi, how you doing?
Yes, are you guest, ma'am?
Am I guest? Yeah. Oh, we were up there. She told us we could come down here and take pictures. Just we couldn't do it up there. Okay.
Videos not allowed here.
All right. On that side? Okay. Thank you. Bye. Do they know what the issue is yet or no?
We don't know, ma'am.
You don't know either? All right. They kicked me out, as you can see. All right, I'm gonna, they're not gonna give me any more access to see anything other than those two ships out to sea. So I'll try and keep coming back over here just to see when the problem is fixed. Hopefully it's tonight. And if not, we got another day in paradise, right? But for now, I'm going to try and get some steps in and go look at the rest of the ship and take some footage, do a ship tour. But this is what it looks like right here on the Lido deck right now. Everybody seems to be calm. Not really anything anybody can do about it. So, Sean, hey, what's the issue? Child, these people ain't gonna tell us what the issue is. As I said earlier, they were banging on some white apparatus thing over for, there's two lifeboats, number 5 and number 17, that are still in the water. And earlier today when I was at a late breakfast, they had some lifeboats, probably 4 or 5, maybe 6. I don't remember, it's on the footage, that was in the water. So I'm guessing that they were testing the lifeboats. And looks like the test failed. It's not funny, I'm sorry. Looks like the test failed. So, yeah, because 2 of those lifeboats are still in the water. So that's all we can see. They're not gonna tell us anything. They tell us they don't know, but we can see that they're banging on stuff. And there was at least 3 or 4 of them on phone. So they're trying to get help, trying to figure out what's going on themselves. So that's all I know. So this ship down here says pilot. So it looks like they called in some help, maybe. Nope, that boat is not coming over to this ship. Is it? Nope, it looks like they got that lifeboat rigged up. Get ready to pull it up. Number 17, number 5 still out there circling. Pretty cool. Yay, we're done. Back in business. All right, we just had this debacle, and someone said they're pissed because everything is still closed. And I was trying to see what was going on so I can get some footage. And I asked someone, and they said the casino was open, so I was under the impression everything was open. Really, the only thing that would close would be the casino and the shops, right? So we're still in Nassau. Let's see if the casino is really open or not. No, he was wrong. The casino is not open. It is currently closed. Trying to save y'all some money. Yeah, this casino is closed. The machines have been disabled. So, under the impression they're not going to open them until we are in international waters, regardless of the issue that they had. Which way back to my room? This way. Yeah, you can see the casino is closed. Reader closed. Try again. So, hey, guy who told me that the casino was open, stop making up stuff. That wasn't very nice. Trust but verify. I did not verify. Thank you.
Hi, vlog. Hi. Philippines, yeah.
We got Rolando, Jalen,
yeah.
and Leslie.
Philippines.
See y'all later.
Just fun.
All right, so I am back in my stateroom, and nothing went as planned.
It's your cruise director Amber coming in with an update on our lifeboat maintenance. All maintenance has been successfully completed.
Woo!
Now, at this time, one of our guests is in need of urgent medical care ashore, which requires us to conduct a medical debarkation. Once completed of this operation, we will be on our way to Tampa. Now, this will not impact our arrival time into Tampa. Once again, this will not impact our arrival time into Tampa. Now, please join us in keeping our guests in your thoughts and prayers, and we really do appreciate your cooperation and attention. Thank you.